How and when to file ISF for other meat processing machinery. Welcome to our video on how and when to file an importer security filing, ISF, for other meat processing machinery. If you're involved in the import-export business, it's important to understand the process of filing an ISF and the specific requirements for different types of goods. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to file an ISF for other meat processing machinery and discuss the optimal timing for submitting the filing. First, let's establish what an ISF is. An importer security filing, commonly known as ISF, is a document that importers or their agents are required to file with U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, before the arrival of goods at a U.S. port. It is essential for enhancing the security of cargo being imported into the United States. Now, let's dive into the process of filing an ISF for other meat processing machinery. The first step is to collect all the required information about the shipment. This includes details such as the importer's name and address, seller's name and address, container or vehicle information, and a complete and accurate description of the goods being imported. Make sure to have all this information ready before proceeding with the filing. Next, you will need to log in to the CBP's Automated Broker Interface, ABI, or use a licensed customs broker to submit the ISF on your behalf. The ISF must be filed no later than 24 hours prior to the goods being loaded onto the vessel destined for the United States. It is crucial to file the ISF in a timely manner to avoid any penalties or delays in the clearance process. When filing the ISF for other meat processing machinery, there are a few specific details to consider. Ensure that the Harmonized System (HS) code used to classify the goods is accurate. The HS code provides a standardized classification of products for customs purposes and helps determine the applicable duties and regulations. For other meat processing machinery, the HS code may vary depending on the specific type and function of the machinery. It is advisable to consult with an expert or utilize resources such as the Harmonized System database to determine the correct HS code for your goods. Now, let's talk about the optimal timing for filing an ISF. As mentioned earlier, the ISF must be filed no later than 24 hours prior to the goods being loaded onto the vessel. However, it's important to note that the ISF can also be filed well in advance before the goods are physically ready to be shipped. In fact, it is recommended to file the ISF as soon as you have all the necessary information and documentation to ensure a smooth customs clearance process. By filing the ISF early, you allow sufficient time for any potential issues or discrepancies to be resolved, avoiding last-minute complications. In summary, when filing an ISF for other meat processing machinery, it is crucial to collect all the required information about the shipment, accurately classify the goods using the correct HS code, and file the ISF no later than 24 hours prior to the vessel's departure. By following these guidelines and submitting the ISF in a timely manner, you can ensure a seamless customs clearance process for your imported goods. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this guide on how and when to file an ISF for other meat processing machinery has been helpful. Stay tuned for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch all the upcoming videos. See you next time. Disclaimer notification below.